a multi-agency safeguarding hub, so all relevant people within the same locality to make better, quicker decisions based on information that all agencies have.
Right, good morning everybody, welcome to today's daily discussion. The purpose of the meeting is to share information to increase the safety, health and well-being of victims, adults and their children.
You can see quite quickly how more streamlined the work is really with having agencies based within the same building.
I would say it makes it a lot easier for agencies to communicate. For the initial stages of any concerns, you know where to go to.
Now we can just walk down the office, have that face-to-face conversation with somebody and the answer is there.
So as far as child protection goes, I think that's becoming smoother as a result of the MASH. And as a result, the children are getting a better service, which is what it's all about.
We are service user focused, and I think it's for the good of that person, and that's what we're all working towards. So we're all working together for one person, which makes a difference, doesn't it? So whether they're adults or children, it's about pooling that resources and knowledge for better outcome for that individual.